The gold market is one of the most significant and sophisticated markets in the world. It is influenced by various elements, such as financial problems, geopolitical activities, and source and requirement dynamics. Determining these significant elements is important for investors and traders who yearn to create informed decisions regarding purchasing or selling gold. In this manual, we will look into some of the vital elements that influence the gold market. One, economic conditions. The condition of the economic climate has actually a substantial impact on the cost of gold. When there is actually economic anxiety or inflationary pressures, investors often tend to flock to safe haven properties like gold. On the other palm, when financial development is strong and rate of interest fees are higher, investors might favor various other expenditures that supply higher returns. 2. Central bank policies. Central banking companies around the world hold considerable volumes of gold in their gets. Modifications in central bank plans can have a significant impact on the cost of gold. For instance, if a main bank determines to increase its holdings of gold, it can easily lead to boosted demand for gold and higher prices. 3. Geopolitical celebrations. Political instability or disputes can generate anxiety in financial markets and lead to enhanced requirement for safe haven resources like gold. For example, strains between significant powers or geopolitical events such as wars or terrorist assaults may lead to clients to look for sanctuary in gold. 4. Source and demand dynamics. The general concepts of supply and requirement apply to all markets, including that of gold also. When supply exceeds requirement, prices drop, whereas when need goes beyond source, costs climb. 5. Rate of interest fees. Rate of interest rates likewise possess an effect on the rate of gold because they influence real estate investor belief towards different possession classes. Greater enthusiasm costs tend to decrease requirement for non-yielding possessions like gold, while low interest rates raise it, since then folks look at alternatives where they can produce even more cash. 6. Inflation prices. Rising cost of living deteriorates obtaining electrical power over time, since your cash becomes worth less over opportunity. Thus, financiers look for assets that can easily dodge against inflation. Gold is one such resource that has in the past been understood to retain its market value in the course of time frames of high inflation. In verdict, the gold market is influenced through a broad range of factors, and understanding these variables is important for entrepreneurs and investors who yearn to help make informed selections.